So I have a Mack Anthem here, 2018, and it was giving problems starting this morning. So I checked it out, I went ahead and pulled the starter out, and I just want to make sure that this starter is defective. So I have a 12-volt supply here from the battery charger, and positive to the solenoid positive you hook up, and the negative to the amateur. And normally you would jump positive from here to the mag switch and the starter should kick. So I have my jump rope wire here. So positive. This could be battery cables too, to the positive on the mag switch. And it should, on a regular starter like I do the Cascadias, it will kick in right now. This one, nothing. But this starter doesn't have its own independent ground. So I had this separate jumper wire made up. Ground to the mag switch, ground on the other side. And let's see the response. It's trying. It would not stay engaged. So let's test out a new one and see how the new one engages. So positive lead to the solenoid positive and negative to the amateur. Hook up our jumper, positive to the mag switch, positive to the battery power. Same thing, nothing. As I say, the important thing with these starters, the Volvo starters, they have its independent ground wire. So go ahead and get your jumper wire, and you could use anything. I just went and clipped these wires together. Ground, and let's check it out. Stays engaged. Perfect. So 100% this starter is defective.